Good morning, children. Let us begin with Standard 6 English Grammar, Unit 10 Nouns, Numbers. There are only two numbers in English. First, singular number, and the second type is plural number. So, what is a singular number? Any noun that stands for only one person or thing is said to be in the singular number. For example, girl, one girl, man, child, and pen. And any noun that stands for more than one person or thing is said to be in the plural number. Now, girl was only one. So, when we add an S, it becomes girls. So, means there are many girls. Man, it changes into MEN, men. One child, many are children. We don't add an S. The plural is children. Pen, it becomes pens when we add an S. So we can say girls, men, children, pens. These all are in the plural number. So there are two types of numbers, singular number and a plural number. The ways of forming the plurals. There are certain rules that we have to follow when we make a noun from singular to plural. So now let us read all these rules. The first rule. Most nouns form their plurals by adding S to the singular. So in a simple way that whenever we write anything more from a singular, we make it into a plural, we normally add an S that we all know, so it becomes the plural. So which are those examples? Bee. One bee, when we may add an S, it becomes bees, means there are many together. Rose. One is a rose, many will become roses. We add only an S. Table is one. When we add an S, it becomes more and it becomes tables. So this is a simple noun where we just mostly add an S to make it a plural. Now our second rule is nouns ending in S, double S, X, SH and CH form their plurals by adding an ES to the singular. So any noun which ends with these alphabets, then we need to add an ES to make it the plural. For example, loss, LOSS, it is singular. When we add an ES after the double S, it becomes losses, which will become the plural of loss. Bench ends in CH and one bench. When we add ES, it becomes benches, it becomes the plural of one bench. Gas, it ends with only S. So we add ES to make it the plural. Your third rule. If the noun ends in Y and has a consonant before it, its plural is formed by changing the Y into IES. So any word, any noun that ends with an Y and has a consonant. What is a consonant? We all know that the vowels are A, E, I, O, U. We call them the vowels. And the rest of the alphabets like B, C, D, F, G, all these, the rest of the alphabets other than the vowels are called the consonants. So if the noun is ending in an Y and it has a consonant before it, then we remove the Y and we add an IES. For example, family. It is ending in an Y and it has a consonant that is an L before it. So we remove the Y and write IES to make it plural. So family becomes families. Lily, ending with an Y, we remove the Y and add IES. City, ending in Y and it has a consonant T, we remove the Y and write IES to make it the plural. Rule 4. If the noun ends in a Y and has a vowel before it, then its plural is formed by adding only an S to the singular. For example, joy. Joy ends in an Y, but it has a vowel O before it, so we write only S after joy and make it joys. Ray, RAY, Y ending in Y and there is a vowel A. So we add only an S. Monkey. Monkey is an Y and there is a vowel before it, E. So we add only an S and make it monkeys. Rule 5. Nouns ending in F or FE form their plurals by changing this F or FE into VES. For example, calf, CALF. So when we make it a plural, we remove the F and add an VES. So it becomes calves. Wolf, WOLF. So remove the F and write VES. It becomes wolves. Thief, singular thief. So remove F and write VES. It becomes thieves. Rule 6. Nouns ending in O, if they have a consonant before them, generally form their plurals by adding an ES to the singular. For example, O, buffalo. It ends in an O and it has a consonant L. So we add ES after the O and make it buffaloes. Echo ends in O and has a consonant H. So we add ES after the O and make it echoes. Potato. Potato changes into potatoes. Rule 7. Certain nouns form their plurals by a change of the vowels in the spelling of that noun. For example, foot. Foot means only one foot, and when we change the double O into double E, it becomes the plural of foot. It becomes feet. Goose, GOOSE. So when it becomes the plural, the double O changes into double E. Tooth, TOOTH is one tooth, and when we make it into the plural, we change the double O into double E. Rule 8. Nouns ending in double O form their plural by adding only an S to the singular. So certain nouns, if they are ending with a double O, for example, bamboo, we make it plural by adding an S and make it and pronounces like bamboos. So these are the certain rules which we have to remember when we are writing anything from a singular into a plural. So now we begin with exercise 1. We have to give the plurals of the following nouns. The first one, tooth. The plural will become teeth. Double O changes into double E. Second, deer. Deer remains same in the plural also. Singular also deer, and when we see many, we say deer. We don't add an S. Third, mosquito. Ending in O, there is a consonant T, so we add ES and make it into mosquitoes. Fourth, buffalo. Ending in O, again we add an ES, buffaloes. Fifth, ox. Ox becomes into the plural by adding an EN and becomes oxen. Sixth, child. One child, many children. The spelling changes. DREN, children. Seventh, son-in-law becomes sons-in-law. We don't add S behind the law. There are many sons. So one is sons and many will become sons-in-law. Eighth one, goose. Double O changes into double E and becomes geese. Ninth, WIFE, wife. We remove the FE and write VES and becomes wives. 9, sheep. Singular sheep, plural also sheep. We do not add any S. 11th, mouse. Singular mouse, the plural will be mice. MICE. 12th, boy. Boy, we add only an S and make it into boys. 13, man servant. So man will become men in the plural and one servant will become many servants. So it will become men servants. 14th, piano. It ends in an O, but here we do not add ES. There is a difference and we add only an S. This is some exceptions. 15, life. We remove the FE and add VES, so it becomes lives. Exercise 2. Give the singular of the following nouns. So now from the plural we have to make it into the singular. First one, flies becomes fly. Second, families will become family. Third, dishes, dish. Fourth, thieves will become thief. Fifth, stories will become story. Sixth, ladies, singular will be lady. 7th, loaves, singular becomes loaf. 8th, gases, singular gas. 9th, trays, singular tray. 10th, eyes, singular eye. 11th, valleys, singular valley. 12th, keys, singular key. 13th, policemen, singular will become policeman. 14th, watches, singular will be watch. 15, donkeys, singular will be donkey. Now exercise 3, we have to change the sentences from singular to plural. Now when we change a sentence from singular into plural, we also have to keep in mind whether the verb changes or not. And it will change. In a singular, the verb will change into plural when we change the sentence. So that we have to keep in mind and rewrite the whole sentence again. So first one, the child saw a sheep in the field. So when we make this sentence into plural, it will be the children. Child becomes children. Saw a sheep means one sheep. So now we make it into plural. We remove the a and we write only sheep in the fields. Second, this ox is mine. This will become these. Ox will become oxen. Is in singular, plural it will become are. Mine. So these oxen are mine. Third one, the house was made of brick and stone. So it will go like the houses. S will come, which I have forgotten to write. Was will become were, made of bricks and stones. The fourth one, a deer was caught by a hunter. So a deer is singular deer. Now we are talking about more. And deer remains deer or same in the plural. So deers were caught by hunters. Fifth, a wolf is a wild animal. So we remove a and wolf will become wolves, is will become are. Wolves are wild animals. Sixth, the farmer is plowing his field. So again here the farmers, S will come, I have forgotten, are plowing their fields. Seventh, the goose is swimming in the pond. So the plural will be the geese are swimming in the ponds. Eighth one, a potato is a vegetable. Your answer, potatoes are vegetables. Ninth, the leaf falls from the tree. So your plural will be the leaves. Falls is when we write in singular. Now when it becomes plural, we remove the S in the verb. Fall from the trees. 10th, has the baby any sister? Answer, have the babies any sisters? Exercise 4, change the following sentences from plural into singular. So now we make a plural sentence into singular. The first one, the flowers are beautiful things. So your answer will be the flower is a beautiful thing because we are talking about one flower. Second, these books are very interesting. Your answer will be these will become into this. This book is very interesting. Third, birds build their nest in trees. So your answer will be a bird builds its nest in a tree. The fourth one, these children have bad teeth. Your answer will be this child has a bad tooth. Fifth one, the women with their daughters were present. So your answer will be the woman with her daughter was present. Sixth, these cows have calves. Your answer, this cow has a calf. Your seventh one, lives of great men teach us how to live nobly. Your answer, life of a great man teaches us how to live nobly. Eighth one, these sheep have no wool on them. Your answer will be, this sheep has no wool on it. Ninth, monkeys have long tails. Your answer is a monkey has a long tail. 10th, honest servants are liked by their masters. Your answer will be an honest servant is liked by his master. Exercise 5. Which of the two words given in the bracket is correct? So you have to choose the correct verb from the bracket. So first one, my scissors dash not very sharp. Is or are, so your right answer will be is. Second, mathematics dash a difficult subject. Again, is or are, so again it will be is. Third, the hunter shoot 3 deer or deers, so it will be deer. Fourth, the scenery or sceneries of the Himalayas is or are very fine. So your first answer will be scenery and the second answer will be is. Fifth, the room is full of furniture or furnitures. So it will be only furniture. Furniture is never written with an S. Singular is also furniture and plural also is furniture. Sixth one, her hair or hairs is or are brown. So it will be her hair are brown. Seventh, the cattle or cattles are or is grazing in the field. So your answer will be the cattle are grazing in the field. Eighth one, alms or arm were or was given to the poor. So the correct answer will be alms were given to the poor. Ninth, 50 sheep or sheeps is or are grazing in the field. 50 sheep are grazing in the field. 10th, he gave her 50 hundred or hundreds rupee. It will be only 100. He gave her 50 hundred rupees. So, dear children, I hope you have understood this chapter of nouns and numbers. So, your homework is that you need to write the definition of singular and plural number in your notebook and then complete the 5 exercises neatly into your English grammar notebook. So, thank you and have a very nice day.